The biggest lie in the music industry. No one talks about this. Some major record labels buy streams to make their artists look bigger. This practice inflates the popularity of certain artists, making them appear more successful than they actually are. Fake streams equal fake success. But it works. These inflated numbers can lead to more opportunities, like higher chart positions and better deals. What do you think about this practice? Is it fair to genuine artists who work hard for their streams? AI-generated artists are being pushed, and you don't even realize it. These AI artists can produce music at a rapid pace, often mimicking popular styles and trends. How do you feel about AI in music? Does it enhance creativity or diminish the human touch? Spotify and Apple Music push certain tracks, and it's not because they're good. These platforms often promote songs based on deals and algorithms, not necessarily quality. Do you trust these platforms? Are their recommendations truly in your best interest, the future of music? No humans needed. With advancements in AI, we might see a future where human musicians are no longer necessary. Is this the direction we want? Should we embrace a future dominated by AI-generated music, real music, or industry-made hits? The line between authentic music and manufactured hits is becoming increasingly blurred. What do you think? Should we value authenticity over commercial success? Drop your thoughts below. Let's have a conversation about the future of music. Let's dive deeper into this. First, the practice of buying streams. This tactic is used to manipulate the perception of an artist's popularity. This is a common tactic used by major labels. It creates an illusion of success, which can attract more genuine listeners and opportunities. It inflates the popularity of their artists. This can lead to more concert bookings, sponsorships, and media attention. What are your thoughts on this manipulation? Is it a smart business move or an unethical practice? Second, the rise of AI-generated music. AI can now create music that is indistinguishable from human-made tracks. AI is now creating music that sounds human-made. This technology is evolving rapidly, raising questions about the future of human musicians. How do you feel about AI replacing human artists? Does it open new creative possibilities or threaten the essence of music? Third, the influence of streaming platforms. These platforms have the power to make or break a song's success. They push tracks for reasons other than quality. Often, it's about business deals and algorithms rather than the music itself. Do you trust their recommendations? Are they genuinely suggesting the best music for you? Fourth, the future of music without humans. Imagine a world where all music is created by AI. Is this the direction we want to go? Should we prioritize technological advancement over human creativity? Finally, the authenticity of music. In a world of manufactured hits, what does it mean to be a real artist? Real music or industry-made hits? The choice between genuine artistry and commercial success is more relevant than ever. What do you think? Should we support authentic artists or embrace the industry's manufactured hits? Drop your thoughts below. Let's discuss the future of music together.